Escambia County Public Schools, and welcome to your Cybersecurity tip on phishing awareness. Brought to you by your Escambia County Public Schools Information Technology Professional Learning Team. Here's your tech tip in a flash. What is phishing? It's the fraudulent practice of using email messages, websites, text, and phone calls to bait people into providing sensitive information. Phishing is a type of social engineering where the attacker impersonates someone via email, phone, or electronic communication methods, including social networks like Facebook, to reveal sensitive information. Often the emails or messages mimic legitimate sources. Be cautious. If you receive a call or an email that comes from an unknown sender, creates a sense of urgency, appeals to your feelings, and kind of tugs at your heartstrings, or is grammatically concerning. If you notice a questionable email, do not open it and never click on links or attachments. Go ahead and delete the email and mark it as spam. Change passwords and monitor account activity just to make sure, and go ahead and contact IT support or technical assistance. Cybersecurity is very important because it protects your personal and financial data. It helps to maintain our system security, especially with our educational records. It helps to prevent identity theft, and it helps to avoid financial and reputational damage. Make sure you're using basic security practices such as using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and you're keeping your software up to date, especially your automatic updates for your cell phones. Go ahead and avoid clicking on those suspicious links as well. Cybersecurity is crucial in protecting personal, financial, and system integrity in this increasingly connected digital world. Threats like phishing, malware, and ransomware can cause significant damage if not properly addressed. Stay tuned for additional cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching.